Hey everybody, it is around 3:30 and it is May 31st, 2024, and I'm just making an update video because a very dear friend of mine, you know who you are, sent me a clip of a DHS hearing that I guess where other countries, along with us Americans that experience this artificial telepathy or this radio wave harassment, however you want to look at it. And it's basically, being held and in front of a panel, and they're having to it's this gentleman that's explaining all of the targets, their symptoms, where they live, what they have, similarities, the type of people, who they work for, so on and so forth. And I will actually go ahead and repost that under my YouTube, so you guys can watch that. But it is just, it's just getting scary now. This stuff has been going on for so long, and, and they make it really simple to understand, so it shouldn't be really hard for, targeted individuals to be explaining what is going on in their lives, in their households, things like that, and how you got picked, to be in this program. So anyway, and it basically, what he says is that you need 2 radio waves, and which is just like the resonant frequencies that I explained to you before. You have a wave that you emit yourself, that is like a fingerprint. Nobody else in the world has that fingerprint. That, some people, like, if they can concentrate hard enough, it's your aura. It's what you emit, your body emits, okay? And basically, they put their own radio wave on top of your signature wave, which makes its own fingerprint, okay? And they can track you anywhere. I mean, if you're paying attention to all the satellites, as much as I love Elon Musk, I'm not 100% sure if I trust this Starlink, but I happened to find out that there is a place here that makes and manufactures these, I guess, this equipment that does it. And I am not sure who all they're making it for, but I did put in a job application with them. I mean, you can't really call it a job application, but I attach the PDFs to basically microwave harassment and surveillance tactics that the Army has and things like that. And, because if you're going to be around these things, you need to know what it is this stuff can do. Okay? You're not left without fault, because when that technology leaves your hands, that you just, there's nothing I can do about it. You have to know, to a certain degree, what this stuff is being made for. And I don't know under what guise it is that they're being told that, this is completely normal. This is what this does, because nobody in their right mind would actually take a job knowing that they are, I guess, doing things that can, I don't know, get them the death penalty. Because it's very much considered terrorism, and you can find where it says, where the Army had yanked its website about voice to skull technology. And anyway, so that site's not there anymore. But for those of us who screen shoot most things, okay, when it comes to learning and things like that, I have a whole like mess of things, and I'm not 100% sure. But the hearing that is being held, there was a lot of us before Helena Sorba passed away. God rest her soul. She had collected statements from a lot of us, so that they were gonna go hand in hand with going to the Supreme Court. Okay, and this is not the same thing that I'm talking about. The DHS that I'm talking about, this is not the same Supreme Court hearing that is gonna be held, I guess, with the massive people that actually pulled together. And there are actually attorneys now who deal with electronic harassment cases. And I just want to tell you guys, it's about to get real, real tough, because this stuff is getting regular. Like with the AI, everybody messes with AI to a degree. Unless you just don't own a phone, or you can watch a movie. And have you noticed that they do AI and that, to make the actor, when they need to look younger or older, they will use that. Voices. I downloaded an app where Snoop Dogg will read my book to me. And I'm laughing about it. But, this is, it's getting serious. And the thing is if you guys went to the Y-Files and you looked at it's the second most recent episode. He just put a new episode out today. But anyway, it's called When Your Mind Is Not Your Own. And it goes from, it scratches the surface to all the way, it just blows the doors off of it. And you guys really need to go watch that. I'll see if I can go ahead and share that or repost it. But anyway, I hope you guys are staying strong. And, as the days go on and, the more technology is coming out. I think I told you guys about the Razer. It's Razer Leviathan. And what it is it is it's a large sound bar. And it's made for gamers, first and foremost, but you can use it for movies or TV shows, whatever. It's a sound bar, but the thing is it beams the sound into your brain, so the people around you cannot hear it. And they make no bones about this, how this works and stuff like that, that it is, that's what it is. You can, if you want to turn left or right, or, get up and like throw something away in the trash or something like that, you can still, that sound is beamed because it's essentially it's electrically connected to your brain because your brain is electric. So, you know, when somebody doesn't believe that you hear somebody talking to you and there's nobody in the room and you're not mentally ill, those of us who live very near, I guess, armed forces bases, and then I just so happen to live like in the near radius of, you know, a government testing facility. So anyway, I invite you guys to check out that Y-Files, and also I will go ahead and repost the DHS hearing, and I'll look into the Supreme Court hearing as well. I just don't have a whole lot of information on that, and I really just made this video, you know, on a whim because, you know, I try to post updated videos for this is for, you know, for me. It's for me. And I'm sorry I'm discombobulated. I had an interesting day, but I didn't forget you guys, and I just wanted to let you know that I love you. And, you know, I'll be back on with more information as soon as I can get some. Okay? Bye.